أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So in the second session, we will continue our study of the properties of ism. So in the properties of ism, we are at the last property. So what are the properties of ism again? First property is status, which means is the ism rafa, nasab or jar. Second property is gender. Gender means is the ism masculine or feminine. When we say number, the third property, number means is the ism singular, dual, or plural. And when we talk about the last one, which we are studying right now, fourth one called type, when I say what is the type of an ism, what I'm actually asking you is the ism proper noun, common noun or proper noun? Which of the two it is? Okay. Today, I'm just going to relate English with Arabic because English you already know. So we can use the knowledge, some knowledge that you already have to learn something new and establish some link between two languages. So what is a common noun and what is a proper noun? You already know, I believe most of you know in English how to identify them. All we have to know is how to identify them in Arabic language. So first we go, first we see how we identify them in English, which you already know. So I have written a very simple sentence here. The sentence is, I met a man at the bus stop yesterday. I met a man at the bus stop yesterday. Now I'm going to encircle a word here. A man. A man. Now my question is this a common noun or a proper noun? When I say proper noun, I mean a person or a thing or a place which is specific, It's a certain specific thing, certain specific person, certain specific place. That is proper noun. And it is not certain or specific, then it is a common noun. So a man could be any man. So what do you think? Is it specific or it is not specific? Danielle?
It is not specific.
So what it will be? It is a common noun or a proper noun?
It will be a common noun.
It will be a common noun. All right. So your answer is correct. It is a common noun. Thank you, Danielle. So now what I do is, I just change the sentence by replacing, changing one word only actually. I met, instead of saying a man, I'm saying Ahmad. I met Ahmad at the bus stop yesterday. Now this word Ahmad, is this word Ahmad refers to a specific person now or not? We have Saad Iqbal. Saad, what do you think?
I think it's a proper noun because it's a name of a man or a person.
Now I'm not saying any man, it is a certain person now. It's a certain specific person. So you're right, Saad. It is a proper noun now. Right? So what we determined, the names of people are proper noun. Right? You already know this. Okay, let's use another English sentence and see what we can do over there. No, actually, we can stay with the first sentence. I forgot about it. The word is the bus stop. The bus stop. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? I go to Ayan.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's a common noun. It's
Common
not
noun.
It's a specific bus stop.
Okay, Ayan, stay with me. I say I met a man at a bus stop yesterday. Instead of the bus stop, I say a bus stop. Is it still common? What is the difference?
Uh, oh, okay. Now I see. Now I see. So, if you say I met a man, then that would be common. But uh, but I met a man at the bus stop. That would be proper,
All right.
maybe.
So Anusha, do you agree with what Ayan said the second time?
I actually didn't listen to what he said because something happened.
Okay, I asked you the question. The bus stop, is it common noun or proper noun?
I think it's a proper noun.
Make it a common noun.
Huh?
Can you make it a common noun by changing something in it?
By actually,
Okay, I can help you. I met a man at a bus stop.
oh,
Now
I
it
get
is-
it now.
So it is
It's
not a
act-
specific bus stop anymore, right?
Yeah, it's not a specific bus stop.
So when the word da comes, or when the word where the word the comes before an ism, it makes it
A common noun? No, a proper noun. Sorry.
proper noun, right? That you meant to say proper, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So you see, the bus stop, I'm talking about a certain specific bus stop when I use the word the with it. So the word in Arabic is al, right? So when al comes with the word in Arabic, it is proper noun. Otherwise, it will be common. So we already know when the comes with an ism, becomes a proper noun. So it is not just any bus stop. I'm talking about a certain specific bus stop. Okay, another word. Hamza bought this book for his sister because she loves reading. Okay, Hamza. Taimia, what do you think? Hamza is a proper noun or a common noun?
It's a proper noun. It's a proper noun.
Taimia?
It's a proper noun.
The name of a person. It's a certain specific person, so that is why name of a person is a proper noun. All right. Now go to the next word. Next word is this book. This book. Okay. Shifa, what do you think? Shifa or Abir?
A proper noun?
Proper noun, because we're pointing to a word book, right?
Yes.
So it is a certain specific book. So this is a pointer word. What is the Arabic for this?
It's hada.
Haza, haza, hazal kitabu in Arabic. So haza in Arabic is proper because in English this is a proper. So this is a pointing word.
Yes.
So this book is a certain specific book. And as this was Shifa, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So Shifa is right. This is a proper noun. Good job, Shifa. Thank you. Okay. I go to somebody else now. For the next one. His sister. Jafar, what do you think?
His sister is proper noun.
Because it's not any sister. It is a certain specific sister. It is Hamza's sister, right?
Yes,
Yeah, so that is why it is.
proper noun.
Yeah. So you see, this is a attached pronoun, his. In Arabic, we call it attached pronoun. So this is also proper noun. Last one, she. I go to Hiba. Hiba, what do you think? Hiba, no? Okay. No, Hiba. Fatima,
A proper noun
proper noun. Why?
because it's talking about his certain sister. Hamza sister.
Yeah. So it is a detached pronoun actually, and this is how we say that call this word in Arabic. She, it is referring to Hamza's sister, and that is why it is a proper noun. And it is a pronoun. It is a pronoun. So the pronoun is proper noun. So you see again here, name of a person is proper noun. When the comes with the noun, it becomes proper. When there is a pointing word like this with the ism, then it is proper noun. When there is a his or her or something like that, an attached pronoun, it is proper noun. And a pronoun is a proper noun. So you already know all this because you know English, right? So then when we go to the Arabic, it is exactly the same thing. There is no difference. So we have common noun and proper noun. And the rule is a noun is considered common in Arabic language unless there is a reason to call it proper. There is a sign, there is some symbol, there is some indication that it should be called proper. If there is no indication, you say it is common, right? And the indications are proper names. We already know this from English. Proper names of people or places, right? Other one, al. This noun starts with an al. Al means the, T-H-E in English. And we already know when the word the comes before an ism, it becomes proper noun. The kalamun became al-kalamu. Ayatun became al-ayatu. Muslimun became al-muslimu. And I also told you last class, when al comes, the tanween has to go and it is replaced with one haraka. So mun becomes mu, tun becomes tu, and muslimu over here, mun becomes mu. Because al is not compatible with tanween. It doesn't like tanween. So this is the same thing, same as in English. Al means the, T-H-E, the. Third one, pronouns. In English, the pronouns are proper noun. Same is in Arabic. Pronouns attached or detached. See, kitabuka, his book. Sorry, your book. Kitabuka, your book. Or Rasuluna, our messenger. So, like English, pronouns in Arabic are also proper nouns. And last one, ismul ishara, pointers, the pointing nouns. And I gave you these, I asked you to memorize these 6 words. Haza, hazihi, haulai, dhalika, tilka, ulaika. Haza means this, hazihi means also this, but it is for feminine. Haulai means these. It can be used for masculine and feminine. Inshallah, next slide, there will be more information. So when you see a noun or an ism, it is not a proper name of a place or a person. There is no al with it. It is not a pronoun. It is not an ismul ishara. Then what it is? Is it a common noun or a proper noun? That you will say when you don't see any indication of a proper noun, you call it a common noun. That's how you decide. Simple is that. Okay. And just wanted to share with you, you already know this. Just memorize these 6 words. Haza, hazihi, haulai, zalika, tilka, and ulaika. Zalika and tilka. Zalika is for masculine and feminine is tilka, and they are pointing towards something which is far. Haza, hazihi are used for pointing to something which is near. And the plural word can be used for masculine and feminine. But I'm going to tell you something new today. Okay, so pay attention. This is something new. We haven't talked about that yet. And that is a very interesting fact about Asma'ul Ishara. These 6 words are called Asma'ul Ishara. Pointing nouns. In English, we can call them. The interesting fact is, like Haza, when we talk about status, It can have rafa status. It can have nasab status. It can have jar status. But haza does not change. Haza remains haza. It is not like hazu, haza, hazi. No. Like we have muslimun, musliman, muslimin. Rafa, nasab, and jar. If I replace muslimun with haza, it will be haza rafa, haza nasab, haza jar. Haza does not show its status. Haza, like muslimun, shows its status by changing of haraka on the last letter. So you can easily identify, is it rafa, nasab, or jar? But these pointing nouns, all of them, all 6 of them, they don't show their status. It will be haza, 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 rafa, nasab, jar. Haulai, 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 same. Rafa, nasab, or jar. So it becomes very difficult to distinguish. It becomes difficult to tell, is it rafa, is it nasab, or is it jar? Because just by looking at the word, you cannot tell. So how you tell the status? You look at what is before or after them. In case of small ishara, you will see what is after it. And there will be indications around the word to tell you what is the status. Is it rafa, nasab, or jar? And it is not just a small ishara. Actually, there are other words like this too, who do not show their status. Okay, so you should be aware of that, because you will find those words in Quran like small ishara, they don't show their status. But they have a status. It could be rafa, could be nasab, could be jar. And then you need to learn to find out the status of them. And that inshallah we will learn in the next classes. Okay. So that concludes our study, and we just have to practice now. Okay, so I think we studied this one, so we can go to the next one and study a few words, a couple of words, and then we go to the breakout room, inshallah. Okay, so our first word is al-malaikatu, and we need to determine, is it a common noun or a proper noun? Okay, so again, how we establish that? We look for signs of proper noun, and if we don't find any of those signs or indications, then we say it is a common noun, right? So I go to Umar. Umar?
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you, Umar. So what is can you say the first word in this list?
Al-Malaikatu,
What does it mean?
the angels.
Okay, you tell me, it is a proper noun or a common noun, and why?
It is proper noun because it has al in it.
At the start. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Umar. Good job. Okay. Who else is with us? Who hasn't done anything? Nosheen. Nosheen. Can you unmute yourself, Nosheen? No. Okay. Tanjeen.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Next word, say it.
Musa.
Okay, tell me what it is.
It's a proper name.
So, it is a proper or common
It's a
noun?
proper noun.
Proper noun. All right. Good. Musab Iqbal. Walaikum salam. Say the next word.
This is proper noun because it is
Because it is
detached pronoun.
Very good. So it's a proper noun because it is a
detached.
pronoun, a detached pronoun. Right. Good. Good. Taimia, next one. Sorry.
هؤلاء
No. Ayatun.
or ayatun. Okay. So ayatun is it's not a name. It doesn't start with al. What?
The pronoun.
No.
The pointing word haza, like haza, ulai, kazalika.
No.
So is it a proper noun or a common noun?
Common noun.
It's a common noun. Very good. Good job. Okay. Next one is haulai. Abdullah.
Yes.
Haulai. It is common noun or proper noun?
هؤلاء.
No, or you don't know?
Wait. It's a common noun.
Arham. Arham. Do you
Yes,
agree with
common
Abdullah?
noun. Yes.
How- Arham, Abdullah is saying haulai is common noun. Do you agree with him?
No, I do not.
Why?
Because as you said before, ha, ulai, dhalika, and tilka, words like these are proper nouns.
They're pointing nouns, right? So they
Yeah,
are
they're pointing
proper
nouns.
nouns. So Abdullah, this is proper, not common. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. Abdul Haq. No. Okay.
Yes.
Babila. Babila is a name of a place in ancient Iraq. All right. Tell me, is it common noun or proper noun?
Proper.
Why?
Because it's a place.
Name of a place. Proper noun, proper name of a place, right? So that is why it is proper. Good job, Abdul Haq. Thank you. Now we can go to the breakout room, inshallah. So everybody gets a chance to practice.